Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Mike here from TeamHira Adventures. First I want to say Happy Ramadan to all those who celebrate Ramadan. From Mike and family, Happy Ramadan to you guys, to you and your family. So Navratri start today, so I want to say Happy Navratri to all those who celebrating Navratri. Happy Navratri to you and your family. Alright guys, Ramadan start today, Navratri start today. The Navratri is a 9-day fast. It will be finished next week Tuesday. So no, you keep it fast, no rain, just veggies and sweet. So today I'm making some baiganchoka. So all week is just veggie and sweet. No rank for this week for the 9 day. Alright, so I have 4 baigan, 2 tomatoes, I have 1/2 onion, I have some garlic. That's I put into the baigan, makes a slit into the baigan, put it inside and roast the baigan with the garlic. So when I finish, I mash everything up. Then we add the tomato. We can also roast the tomato also. I already washed the baigan, so I just have to slit in it and then put the garlic in it. Alright guys, so we can put some slit in here, and then we can put the garlic inside. I know there's a lot of praying this week. Same thing with Navratri, same thing with Ramadan. Everybody's a lot of praying this week. And you can put how many garlic you want. You put as much you want. If you want like a lot of garlic, you can put more garlic. I put like maybe 4 or 5 cubes of garlic in each baigan. Right, so this is finished. So this is tight, so nothing leaks out from it. This one. There's the one that feels that good, so when you roast it, don't leak out from it. If not, it will make a mess on the stove. Alright, so we can get it on the stove now and let this start to be roasting. Put one over here. Put one over here. Put one over here. Put the next one over here. Alright, so the 4 baigan is on the stove. We'll be roasting. Once that's finished, then we'll take it off, show you what it look like. So in the meantime, we'll cut up our onion or shallot. Once we finish mash these up, then we add the shallot, the onion and things like that. And then we will roast the tomato also. Gotta keep moving it around so that we don't burn it. And the roast evenly. And so we can wash the onion, we can wash the shallot. And then once the stove gets some space, we can put the tomato to roast. And we caramelize the onion before we put it into the baiganchoka. You can put it in just like that, but caramelize a little, get a little softer, then you put it inside. Alright guys, so baigan is roasting. Once that's finished, then we can take it off, start to mash it up, add the onion, yellow pepper, and we got radish here. And so have pepper here, we got half of it. Alright guys, so this one is finished, so we can take this one off. This one, take the inside out. So you just want to make sure you get all the skin of the black skin there inside. So you can transfer it inside here. Alright, so you put a tomato to roast here now. You got 3, so I got some more. It's 2 almost finished. So I have to put some more. Alright guys, so there's the tomato in there, roast in there. We have 1 more glass in there. Just caramelize the onion a little before you put it in. You can put it in like that raw just so, but so here's the tomato. You can take the skin out from it, peel the skin out from it. And you guys, here is this, mash it. Caramelize it here. The onion is good now, so we get that onion inside here. Cut our tomato inside. Half of the hot pepper. Actually, I'm going to mash it a little more with the tomato inside. There guys, so here it is. Now, I'm going to drop the shallot in. Shallot, tell them what you want to call it. Mix this up. I'm holding the camera and try to stir at the same time. Alright guys, so I'll give it a taste. It's good. It's good. No more salt, no more pepper. So guys, here you have it. I'll make mine. Hope you guys like it. My version of baiganchoka. Thank you for watching. Please leave us a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Right guys? Have a blessed day. Have a blessed Ramadan and a blessed Navratri. Alright? See you back soon.